Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, you are going to want to subscribe to my channel after this video. I'm going to be showing you all the fastest and the easiest, the most beautiful crochet braids you've ever seen. Okay, maybe you've seen better, but I'm gonna hook y'all up in this one. So my hair is already blown out. I'm just sectioning off my hair. I've already parted it where I want my hair to be parted for this style, and I'm just gonna proceed to create some ponytails. So I'm gonna create 5 total, and after I've done that, I'm just gonna braid those up, and then I'm gonna begin connecting them. So I'm just gonna let you all watch this process. While you all are watching this part of the process, I do have to let you all know that I am not a novice. I am not new to this whole crochet braiding family. I used to do crochet braids all the time at the beginning of my natural hair journey. My sister and I used to do them on each other, but y'all, it used to be so taxing. I was one of those individuals on YouTube showing y'all how to do it with the caniculon hair, and then you had to add the perm rods and curl it and put it in hot boiling water and all that. Y'all, that took forever. But now with new technology, we now have the curlier texture that's already done for you, and you can crochet it. In a moment, I'm going to show you all some hair from TrendyTresses that is so gorgeous and perfect for this type of style. In the past, I used to also cornrow my hair in order to install the crochet braids, but this is a braidless technique. I initially saw the braidless idea on the Key Is Me YouTube channel, which is such a great channel if you're looking for crochet braids. But I'm gonna insert quite a few pictures from previous crochet braid installs that I've done where I took a long time doing them with all the extra. Y'all, this one I literally did in like an hour and a half, if that. And it mostly because I had to record and everything, that's what took me the longest. But crochet braids this fast is like a miracle. Okay, so now that we have all of the hair in ponytails and we've also plaited all of the ends, I'm going to begin to take 2 of the sections where they're braided, and I'm going to rubber band them together, and then I'm going to take all of the braids once I've connected the 2 on the side, and I'm going to put them in a ponytail and make sure that they are fully wrapped and covered, which makes this a great protective style. I'd also recommend that you moisturize your hair a great deal and also oil your scalp prior to this particular hairstyle, just so we can make sure your hair is growing and it's being maintained before you start. So this is the hair that I'm going to be using. This is the Nubian Curl from TrendyTresses. I have color 1B, but it does come in 6 different colors. I also have it in length 16, but I am going to be cutting it so that it's going to be shorter, but you all will see that in a moment. And I have 5 packs, but I did not use all 5 packs. I only used 3. I believe it was like maybe 2.5 or 2 3/4 of a pack. So I'm just showing you all a close-up once again in great lighting so that you all can see how I did my hair. And then we're going to begin crocheting the hair in. Now that you all were able to see how I prep my hair, we're going to get into this Nubian Curl by TrendyTresses. I saw such great reviews online regarding this particular hair. This is my first time trying it, but I really love the way it looks. This is a close-up of the packaging. We're going to take it out so you all can see how luscious these curls are. This hair is really bouncy and it creates a really realistic look. I love the texture and the curl pattern because it really mimics our natural tresses. For this tutorial, aside from the hair, you need a crochet needle, and I'd recommend the smaller one. In each packet, you get about 5 long chunky ringlets of hair that look like this, and if you want a longer length for your particular style, then you can leave it the way that it is. Now, this is something you should not do. Don't try to separate it slow like I did because it's going to be a hot mess. It's going to become very frizzy and it's going to be a challenge to work with. That's another reason why I'd recommend cutting the hair as well, because I felt like it did much better when it was shorter. Now, if you do it longer and you want a really fluffy look, then go for it. But I wanted a shorter, more so of a heart-shaped diva type look. So I'm going to cut the ringlets in half, and then I'm going to begin crocheting that in after I've separated. Now, when you separate, you want to separate where it naturally separates and then quickly snatch it apart. It's less frizzy that way. So I'm going to begin installing in the back, and I'm starting in the area near my nape first, and then I'm going to begin installing it on the braids that you see and also on the ponytail. It's a really easy process. I'm going to insert it and then I'm going to wrap it twice just to make sure it's secure, and then I'm going to move on to the front. When you begin making your way up to the front, just continue the same process, just covering those braids. I like to go under the braid and then just loop the hair around. And you're just going to continue this process going as close to your hairline and as close to the part as you desire. Now, you're going to see that I'm not going to get super close to my part because I want some of my hair to be exposed so that it looks more natural. On one side, I also left the area where it slicked down out for the most part. And the shape is coming together very nicely just from having cut the hair in half at the beginning. In the front, after I crochet it in, I am gonna cut it to create a bang appearance. You don't have to do that, but that's the look that I was going for. So I'm just gonna cut it, and I will trim some of the hair in the back a bit, but not too much. About as close as I'm going to get to the part on this side, and you will see the hair is going to fall a certain way, so you won't even see that little knot. So I'm just going to go in, fill it up a little more as needed. I didn't do the invisible root crochet braid method or anything, just regular crocheting it in, trimming the hair a bit, and we're gonna be finished. I did see on the website that in order to maintain this hair that you should lightly spritz it with fabric conditioner and water mix, and this is gonna help to keep it detangled. Remember that this is synthetic hair, it's not human hair, so you're not gonna be able to maintain it the same way that you would natural or virgin hair. Also at night, you would just need to section the hair off and just put it into large chunky twists and put on a bonnet just so that you'd have a lasting style. But y'all, I am so pleased with how this hair turned out. I am so thankful for companies who've created the pre-curled hair and also this braidless crochet method that took no time at all and created awesome results. I got a ton of compliments when I went out with this style. It looks gorgeous. I love the shape and everything, and I didn't have to do a whole lot of work with the cut. It was so easy to trim. Just after having installed it this way, the shape is gonna pretty much be like this. You just need to cut little frizzies on the ends and cut the bangs if you like bangs. But if you don't want bangs, girl, leave it the way that it is. But I hope that you all enjoyed this video. I'm going to show you all some quick little styles that you can do with it. You can wear it with a little side part. You can wear it with a bang. You can put it up. You can also do the half up, half down hairstyle with the way that I installed it. That's why I left out a good amount in the front and I didn't crochet it all the way to my hairline so that I can do styles like that. You would just need to put on a headband or something in order to conceal where the start of the crochets begin. And you could also add a turban and rock out and look really, really edgy. So I hope that you all enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up, share it with all of your friends, subscribe, like. I will see you all in my next video. Be sure to check the link in the description.